Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we explore final touches, flavor tweaks, and serving ideas to elevate your buttered shrimp into a complete meal. Prep work: how to get your shrimp ready to cook. Good prep is the secret behind that deep, tasty sear. Start with shrimp that are fully thawed. Half-frozen shrimp release a lot of liquid, and that water cools the pan too much. Peel and devein the shrimp if they did not come cleaned. Leave the tails on for a nicer look or take them off for easier eating, both options work. The most important step is drying. Spread the shrimp on a clean towel or paper towels, then pat them bone dry. Any surface moisture turns into steam in the pan, which gives you pale, rubbery shrimp instead of browned, tasty ones. A dry surface grips the hot butter, which means better color, better texture, and better flavor. Timing and technique: avoid overcooked, rubbery shrimp. Shrimp cook fast. Go past done by even a minute or two and you move into rubbery territory. Use high or medium-high heat for a quick cook. On the first side, 2 to 3 minutes is usually enough. On the second side, 1 to 2 minutes finishes the job. Look for these visual cues. The shrimp turn from gray and translucent to pink and opaque. They curl into a loose C shape, not a tight O. The surface looks slightly firm but still juicy, not dry. Once you see that loose C shape and full pink color, pull the pan off the heat. The shrimp keep cooking a bit in the hot butter, so it is better to stop a little early than a little late. Making it shine: delicious ways to serve and change up your recipe. Buttered shrimp is more than a quick pan of protein. It is a base you can spin into many different dinners without extra work. For a family meal, keep the seasoning mild and serve the shrimp over plain white rice. Pour the extra garlic butter on top and you already have a crowd pleaser. For adults, pass lemon wedges, chili flakes, or hot sauce. You can also change the flavor profile with tiny tweaks. Add a spoonful of grated Parmesan at the end for a richer, almost Alfredo-style sauce. Stir in a handful of baby spinach right after you turn off the heat so it wilts in the warm butter. Swap lemon for lime and add a pinch of cumin for a different twist. All of these changes start with the same easy base recipe, so you do not need to learn a new method each time. Great sides that love garlic butter shrimp. Some side dishes work especially well with garlic butter shrimp and help turn it into a full dinner. Over white rice or pasta. Let the rice or noodles soak up the sauce so none of that garlic butter goes to waste. With crusty bread. A warm baguette or sourdough loaf is perfect for dunking straight into the pan juices. Next to a light green salad or steamed veggies. Bagged salad or frozen broccoli keeps things easy and balances the rich butter. Pick one carb and one green side, and you have a balanced plate with almost no planning. Fast, simple, and packed with flavor, buttered shrimp earns its spot as a weeknight favorite. With a few pantry staples and less than 15 minutes, you can serve juicy shrimp in a rich garlic butter sauce that feels restaurant-worthy. The keys are dry shrimp, hot butter, and short cook time, plus a squeeze of lemon at the end. From there, you can keep it classic or add your own twist with spices and sides. Give this easy recipe a try tonight and see how relaxed dinner can feel when your main dish is ready in the time it takes to set the table. Use these finishing steps to make every pan of shrimp taste restaurant quality and ready in minutes. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.